Have you ever wondered how apps like Google, Instagram, or PUBG work so fast? How they search, sort, and process huge amounts of data in milliseconds? The answer is DSA, data structures and algorithms. Hello everyone, welcome to RRTutorials. In this new series, we are going to learn data structures and algorithms, also called DSA, from beginners to advanced level. So what is DSA? Let's break the term into two parts. First one is data structure. A data structure is a way of sorting and organizing data in a computer. For example, a list of numbers, a collection of names, a queue of tasks. All these can be stored in different ways depending on the need. And the next one is algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve a problem. For example, searching a name in a contact list, sorting numbers from smallest to largest, finding the shortest path in a map. So let's take some real life example. Imagine you have 100 books. If the books are arranged randomly, it will take time to find one book. But if the books are arranged alphabetically, you can find it much faster. That is the power of data structures and algorithms. So why is it important? DSA is very important for three main reasons. It helps you write faster and more efficient programs. It is required for coding interviews in most companies. And last but not least, it improves your problem solving skills. What it improves? It improves your problem solving skills. So where is DSA used? DSA is used everywhere, like search engines like Google, social media apps like Facebook, Insta, and games, navigation apps, online shopping websites. All these use DSA. So it's basically everywhere. So in this series, we'll start from basics and go step by step until advanced topics. In the next video, we will learn about time complexity and big O notation, which is the foundation of DSA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RRTutorials for more programming and game development videos.